Imagine this. You've completed a door-to-door survey. You have rows of data in Excel, photos stored in folders, and a Word report template ready. Now comes the painful part: creating individual survey reports, inserting names, addresses, and, worst of all, matching images one by one. If you've ever struggled with this, you already know how time-consuming and error-prone it can be. PDFs play a vital role in everyday professional work because they preserve layout, fonts, and formatting across all devices. They are trusted for reports, surveys, official records, and field documentation because they are secure, easy to share, and ready for printing. When survey data is involved, PDFs become the final, authoritative output. Many teams rely on Microsoft Word Mail Merge to generate personalized documents using Excel or database data. While it works well for text-based fields like names, IDs, and addresses, it struggles when images are involved. Adding record-specific images requires complex field codes or VBA scripting, making the process difficult to manage and unreliable, especially for large survey projects where every record includes photos. This is exactly where PDF Fusion makes a difference. In this video, we'll see how PDF Fusion simplifies door-to-door survey report generation using structured data from Excel and automatically inserting images by directly referring to image file paths. No coding, no workarounds. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the PDF Fusion application, go to the File Manager and click on New File. Enter a file name and select the data directory where you want to save the project. Use the Browse button to choose the required folder, and if this will be your regular working location, click Set as Default. Save the data and close the File Manager. Next, open the Document Organizer. This is where you define the document type and the source of data. In this example, we'll generate individual door-to-door survey reports, one PDF per survey record. Now add the Word report template, click on New and select the document type as Word. Browse and select the Word template file. Choose the export type. In this case, select Entire File and click Save. All pages from the Word template will now appear in a grid view. Here, you can verify the page order and layout. If required, use the up arrow and down arrow buttons to rearrange pages before generating the output. Once the layout is finalized, click on Generate PDF. Select the output folder and enter the output file name. Now, enable Create PDF by replacing values for the fields. Browse and select the CSV file generated from Excel. This CSV file contains all survey data, one row per household, including text fields and a column with image file paths. PDF Fusion automatically reads each row, replaces the fields in the Word template, and inserts the correct image by referring to the file path. No manual image insertion required. In this example, the CSV contains 50 survey records, arranged row-wise. Specify the report range by entering the from row number and to row number. Click on Generate PDF. Within seconds, individual PDF survey reports are created in the output folder, each one clean, professional, and complete with text and images mapped perfectly to the correct record. This is the power of PDF Fusion. And this is just one use case. PDF Fusion can also work as a powerful document merger, combining content from Word, Excel, DWG, and existing PDF files into structured documents. CAD Superuser, we've delivered PDF and document automation solutions tailored to a wide range of industry requirements. Be sure to watch other videos on this channel to explore more real-world use cases. If you're tired of struggling with image insertion in Word and want a smarter, faster, and more reliable solution, book a live demonstration today to get a customized demo tailored to your workflow and discuss pricing details. Experience how PDF Fusion can truly transform the way you generate survey reports and PDFs.